Hello and welcome along to the next instalment of my camper conversion YouTube channel. Now this video is part of a series converting a VW T5 from a mobile mechanics van into a fully fledged DVLA registered campervan. Now I'm currently cracking on the inside. I'm currently doing all of the carpeting after I've just finished doing all of the insulation. Now I've done previous carpeting videos before on my channel, but I've always forgot to actually do the wheel arches on film. It's one of those things that I've just always cracked on with and very rarely actually caught on camera. So today I thought I'd actually make a proper video just showing how to carpet up some wheel arches. Doesn't matter whether it's for this T5, T4, any other type of van, it's all going to be the same process. Very basic, very simple, easy to do, not really a lot of materials required either. All you need is some stretch carpet. Obviously the stretchier the better, because it needs to contort to the actual shape of the arch itself. Some high temperature spray adhesive, that's the one I always use, the Trim Fix. It's always good for up to 120 degrees, as you can see. So I shouldn't really ever have any issues with that sort of drooping away in high temperatures. Now when you are spraying that type of stuff, especially inside a closed space, you should really be wearing a mask as well, just because some of the safety warnings on the back, they don't look particularly nice, so safety first. A pair of scissors just to cut down your carpet, and a pair of gloves just to stop any spray glue getting on your hands. So I've already cut 2 strips down, one for each side. So it's going to be a case of spraying the metalwork on the arch and then spraying the backing of the carpet itself. It's contact adhesive, so both surfaces need to be sprayed. Then I'm going to be starting on one side, working along the bottom and up and stretching it out all the way along as I go along, pushing it down into all of the grooves on the arch as well. I'll give this a wipe over before I start as well. I've already cleaned it over once. This is just a bit of surface dirt that's accumulated in the van since. So I'll give these a quick wipe over and get my safety mask on and show how we go around carpeting up some wheel arches. So that's the arches given a wipe down, nice and clean, ready to go. Now if you've already laid your flooring down like I have here, you might want to put something down just in between where the arch is going to be touching the actual floor, just to avoid any overspray from the spray adhesive getting onto the flooring. It does wipe off relatively easy with white spirit if you do get any overspray, and all of this is actually going to get boxed in my build, because I'm going to be having a U-shape bed, like sofa bed, going around here anyway, so by the time it's finished you won't even be able to see the arches, but it gives an extra layer of insulation, a little bit of extra soundproofing as well. So get cracked on. As I say, I've just put a little bit of previous offcut just to protect the flooring, and now it's all going to get sprayed up. So let's get cracked on with the carpeting. So there's that arch all trimmed down, tucked in, nice and neat. And obviously all of this back bit's going to be getting hidden behind the ply panel anyway. So by the time that's on, it's going to look really, really nice, smart, and quite professional looking. And I'd say that's taken 10 minutes start to finish. So one down, one to go. So there we go, there's the second arch fully completed, trimmed down, all carpeted up and ready to be panelled back over again. So that was what, 20 minutes worth of work basically to do both wheel arches, get them looking nice and neat, nice and trim, all the way around the bottom, all the way around the tops. As I say, they're all going to get boxed in anyway, regardless, but at least they look nice and neat anyway, and as I say, it just offers that extra little bit of insulation against the bare metal and a little bit of extra soundproofing against the wheels under the arches. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, do give that good old thumbs up. Have a look at my channel, there's loads of content on there already, and this entire van's going to be documented on the channel job by job as well. So hit the subscribe button. As I say, have a look at my channel for lots of content. Give the video a good old thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video of this series. Thanks for watching. Cheers.